Muthenya wa ira wabici ya thitango cia muingi ni iratarĩirie igoti ruhonge rwa DCI ruria rwatongoragio ni George Kinoti rutiaheanire wira muiganu wa gukuruhania munini wa president na andu angi kenda na thitango cia kungumia mbirioni 7.5. Riu mucirithania Victor Wakumile agikinyaniria itua ria guitikira mendekithia ma mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Nordin Haji ma kwehereria Gachagua thitango ici.
There being no objection to the substantive application by the prosecution to have the matter withdrawn under section 87A of the Criminal Procedure Code, the application is hereby granted.
Akirekereria itua riri Wakumile ni akomithitie uhuthiri moru wa honge cia thirikari na ucirithania kweheria kiuteti.
The law should never be applied selectively but equally to all Kenya. As investigators, prosecutors, judicial officers, we have responsibility to clean this system or make it better. You never know, we may end up being subjected to the same process.
Nona gukiri uguo Wakumile ni ahinyiririe kugikinya wira muiganu urakuruhania munini wa president hamwe na cio gikenda ni wonekana cira uyu no ucoke baraginyo na mahigurirwo thitango weru.
These persons are hereby warned and informed that they may be rearrested in future and on the same or similar charges.
We apply that the cash bail be refunded to the first accused and his passport be released to him.
So the same applies to
and all the other accused persons.
All other accused persons.
Yes.
Senator Wanyere wa home wa Matiga ni umwe wa aria makuruhanitio cira-ini uyu riu agiukirira honge cia uthuthuria ni guthitanga cira uyu matari na wira muiganu.
Marari hotoni mangiamenyire mamenye no tuguthie kumera ati ni turathinikire muno na no nginya tucoke igoti-ini nigetha mataririe ati ni matitherwo ni mamenyaga okuma mbere tutiari na mahitia mataririe kana no unyite mundu ukihokaga ni ukanyini ukona oira tondu ni maratwerithirie family cito irathinika biashara cito iragwa no nginya tucoke igoti-ini nigetha tutherie ritwa ritu.
Maciira maria mangi ma ngukumio wabici ya thitango cia muingi erega guteaniria ni hamwe na cira wa minister wa mbeu njithi na maiganania Aisha Jumwa, cira wa minister wa urimi Mithika Linturi, cira wa uria ware murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya thitima KPLC Ben Chuma na cira wa uria ware governor wa Samburu Moses Lonel Kulal ruwigiririku wa wabici no ugithie na mbere kwigirirwo ratiri-ini. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.